Coins with Syrup here, and today we got our 2025 American Silver Eagle Proof with the Army Privy mark. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what kind of condition this is in. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube where it has milk spots, so hopefully ours does not have those. It's coming out of the sleeve a little bit. I don't really like that little mark there. So there it is, 250th anniversary, United States Army. I like how they colored the COA in the Army green. We'll probably get the Marine and the Navy one as well, and also the laser engraved one. But let's see this one. Verse looks good, but the milk spots were on the reverse in the couple of videos that I saw, so let's take this out. There's that privy mark there above "In God We Trust," and the mark below "In God We Trust" is not the mint mark, it's the initials of the designer, which is, I believe, something Weinman, Adolf Weinman. So that's his initials, that's not the mint mark. The mint mark is on the reverse. Okay, we don't have any milk spots, which is great. And that's just where I touched it. And that's the mint mark right there, that W. This is an AW. A lot of people are mistaking that for the mint mark. But yeah, this looks fantastic. I really like it. I'll probably send this in to get graded. Looks like it would grade a 70, but that's just wishful thinking. But anyways, that's it for this video. I appreciate everyone watching, and I will talk to you when we get our next coin, or we're going to a coin show this weekend, so if I get something there, I'll make a video then.